mainland.
Alex.
Shh. Alex, shush.
Bella, over here.
Is this?
Yes, dude.
Guys, they're literally trying to tame. Well, not trying to tame this bird, but.
Alex. Alex, get more food.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
Don't hit.
Alex.
Don't forget to hit.
Alex, throw it up. Alex, it's about to see
Wait, Alex, give me one. Give me one.
Hold on, he's coming back.
Chewy, give me one. Chewy, give me one. Chewy, give me one. I want to do something. Chewy, give me one.
Yes. Oh, over here.
I'm recording over here, Chewy.
What if he brings friends?
I don't know. We're going to house.
He's coming.
Alex, it was us landing.
What a beautiful day in this neighborhood. Noah.
Wait.
Mention
Dude, there's one.
how many subscribers do you have?
No. Also, guys, if you haven't. Also, you okay, Alex? You're fine, Alex.
Alex,
By the way,
you have a good arm.
by the way, here's a quick question: Are taming seagulls legal? Hit that rhymed. Seagulls legal.
He's coming back around.
Alex. We're gonna give him 12. See how it's going.
We are currently feeding the seagull. Eagle, seagull, legal. Alex, I'm recording.
Yeah, I know.
That's weird.
By the way, guys, we're not trying to raise the bird up.
Oh my god, it's called charisma. Eki,
Don't forget to hit that like.
yours already said that like millions of times. They know to. They're my OG fans.
If you love seagulls, hit that subscribe button.
Alex.
Yeah, I
Alex,
agree with
very
Alex. If you like seagulls, hit that subscribe button.
And we probably shouldn't be feeding him.
Guys, we should show our main cast. Y'all's ready? Bella, Chewy, welcome. This is our main cast. Have a good day.
Wait, they can't see me.
Yeah, they couldn't see Bella.
And this is Bella.
Welcome to our channel.
Whoop. Goodbye and see you later, Jurassic.